guys, today I'm Ben from Catch Pro. This is Aiden from Cox Commercial, guys. We saw him in the other video. Today we're going to fit up a Catch Pro to this, and we're going to run it through some gates. We're here on our site. We're going to show you guys how this can get through in small areas, the cut finish and all that sort of stuff. So stay tuned and we'll get into that soon. Cheers. Okay guys, so as you can see with this machine, we've got through this tiny gate over here. This is one of our courtyards that we do, and as you can see, it's a pretty big area to push mow. And we've got, you know, at this site we typically do about 40 or 50 of these every fortnight. So with a machine like this, that turns it into a 2-minute mow. So make sure to check out the Wright Stander B at your closest Cox and Greenfield dealers. Or you can inquire through our stand-on page directly with us or at Cox Commercial themselves. Thanks, guys.